Alright you fellas, today we're on another bitmap tutorial, and this time I did manage to figure out how the hell to do actually 100% bitmap conversion, you know, like a vector conversion, which is purely 100% accurate. So basically when you do usually a bitmap, all you need to do is just select one of the images and go to Object and select Rasterize. And then you're going to need to select the bitmap, and here you're going to need to select the other, and the lower you decrease the value, the bigger the squares is going to be. I mean that mosaic. So for me in this situation, 8 ppi is perfect. I'm going to try this out with transparent and click OK. So as you can see, it transformed into bitmap. Oh wow, it's transparent actually. From here you can see that this whole thing works. Now it's basically vectors, but unfortunately is not editable, so you can see the whole thing is in one piece. Instead, like this, everything is in squares separately in mosaic. Alright, so let's take a look how to approach this 100% correctly. So the main point is half of the work is already done. After converting this into vectors, we're gonna need to calculate first the horizontal pixels. You're gonna need to calculate, you know, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're gonna need to do this manually, unfortunately. Now, in order to make the situation a little bit more easier, because I just don't know a faster solution, I'm gonna select the red color. And let's go and select the rectangle here. And here I'm gonna calculate, we got like 1 pixel, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's multiply these guys. I'm gonna press and hold Alt, drag it. So this way we got like 20 horizontally, and I'm just gonna multiply these. 40, 60, 80, 100, and I'm gonna add one more, 120. So we got like 120 here. So instead of 120, we got 110, and we're gonna add a couple of more. So check this out, we got like invisible pixel, one more invisible pixel here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more pixels, so it's gonna be 118. I'm gonna scale this up. So you're gonna need to keep this number in mind, and let's go and delete these rectangles. So from here, what we need to do is select the composition with the bitmap. Let's go to the object and check this out. We got some new options here, and this is the new option, the create object mosaic. And then here, what we're gonna need to do is let's go to the width. So check this out here. We're gonna need to copy paste this value with 118. The horizontal width of the bitmap composition, I'm gonna go with 118. And we're gonna need to calculate the height of this. So all you need to do is select, click on the height, and let's go and click on the use ratio, and this is going to calculate it automatically. Now you might think that you might want to calculate the vertical pixels because it's like less pixels and it's easier to calculate it, but unfortunately it's not gonna work when you copy paste the height of it and you try to calculate the width with the use ratio, it's gonna calculate the height, so I don't know why. So anyways, all you need to do is click OK and wait to do the job, and moment of truth, fingers crossed, perfect. All you need to do is just drag this guy, and under it we got the original composition, and the new one is the one with the pixels. So there you go, this method just got debunked. Thanks for watching.